Today I'm going to be unboxing my Costco.com order. And you might be thinking to yourself, isn't this unfiltered makeup? Why are you unboxing your Costco order? Well, did you know that Costco online actually has a lot of great makeup items for really great prices? Some of the brands I've never heard of before this, and some of the brands are very well known. Some are middle of the road, lesser known, but still brands I've heard of before. So I thought this was a great opportunity to check out what Costco.com had in store for makeup and see if they are worth ordering from Costco. I do have one more shipment that is on the way, but it only has one item in it. It just didn't get included with this one. So today I'm just going to unbox what we have, and then I'm going to film some subsequent videos actually trying out the products that I ordered. But let's just take a look at what I found. So all of these items today are cruelty-free and vegan items. Yep, you can find those on Costco.com, and most of them were pretty easily well labeled, so it was easy to check out. And I believe you could even sort by the option of cruelty-free. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. It was packed very nicely. It did have this like air pillows in here to keep everything secure. So right off the bat, nicely shipped. Okay, first I got these Haley. It's a 2-pack of blushes from Haley's Beauty. This is called the Pop Smoothing Blush Powder, and I do believe the colors are on here, and it is Tan Lines and Love Bite are the two blushes, and I didn't look very closely at the like weight of how much these are. So these were actually a bit larger than I expected them to be. The pans are a bit larger than I expected them to be. So that's always nice. It does say that it is 5.2 grams or 0.18 ounces. So I'm not really sure how that compares to some other blushes, but definitely a decent size product here. Next up, also from Haley's Beauty, is this is another 2-pack. This is 2-pack of the same product though, in both the color black. This is the Reveal Lash Lengthening Mascara. So that is a 2-pack of that. It's supposed to be lengthening, long-lasting, lightweight, and cruelty-free. So I look forward to trying that out. Always looking for a good mascara. Next up, what do we have here? This is called the Dear Dahlia Petal Drop Liquid Blush in Barely and Dreamy, and the Perfect Designing Shadow Stick in Mauve Pink. So it came in this little baggie with all 3 items packaged. The label said what they are. Just gonna open that up here. So this is a multi-stick, I believe. Is that what a shadow stick? This is a shadow stick called, the color is mauve pink in this one, so this is a shadow stick. I don't know the brand Dear Dahlia. This is my first experience with that. I have actually heard of Haley's Beauty before. I have just never personally tried it before. This is the liquid blush, which I'm actually really excited about this, because I know liquid blushes have been having their moment for a while, but surprisingly enough, I haven't tried very many formulas, but the ones I've tried I've really liked. So I will be interested to try this one out. So it looks like I got the colors Barely and Dreamy. So that will be interesting to test those out, test out the brand. They have, the packaging is printed with soy ink, and it has the FSC certification. So that's always nice for paper products, that we know that they're being well recycled and cared for. The planet, we're caring for the planet. Next up is the Galactic Essential Palette. So this came in nice metallic packaging here. Now, the Galactic palette was, I believe this was $25 on Costco. And if you go to the website, I have to set this down. If you visit the Galactic website, you can still get this palette. And I believe it is $52 on the Galactic website. So quite a price savings when you get it from Costco. I believe this was the only Galactic makeup item that was available on the website. So of course, how can Costco sell it for only $25 when Galactic sells it for 50 something? Well, this is your opportunity to try it at a great price from Costco, and then if you like more of the brand, Costco got you hooked, but then you have to continue to get the rest of the products over at Galactic from their website. I also want to say that this one specifically isn't labeled vegan. And I checked out the website. It's definitely cruelty free, but I checked out the website, and Galactic has a statement on there that they try to make most of their products vegan, and if it contains beeswax, carmine, or glycerin, then those products are not considered vegan, obviously. And they try to use a synthetic beeswax whenever possible. So if you don't have those items, then it should be a vegan product, but it is not listed as such. So all that to say, the long-winded point of, I'm pretty sure this palette is vegan. I know it does have synthetic wax. I'm not 100% certain, so I believe it is. That's the best I can do. You know, sometimes things are not labeled as such, but it's definitely cruelty-free, paraben-free. I'm really excited. I'm excited to try this out too. Galactic is a brand that I have heard of before. I've heard great things about it, but I just haven't tried it myself. So I'm very excited to get to test it out. And it's always nice to get a great deal. And I think this is the last and final thing in the box for today. This is from Hints Beauty. This is Glass Skin Makeup Set. This is a K-Beauty brand from Korea. And it is the True Dimension Radiance Balm, the Mood Enhancer Lip Glow, the Mood Enhancer Water Liquid Glow, in an ivory pleats pouch. So this little set here. Here you have the highlighter stick. Obviously this is the pleated pouch. Then you've got a lip, looks like a lip balm to me. And this is either a lip gloss or a liquid blush, and I can't tell. Okay, so the Mood Enhancer Water Glow says, swipe over bare lips, adding layers to amplify the color and glow. And the Mood Enhancer Lip Glow also says the exact same instructions. So it looks like we've got two different styles of lip products. The little bag to carry them in, and the highlighter. I am always looking for hydrating lip products because my lips are always dry, so I'm excited to try those out. I will admit that they even, show the highlighter on the back. I've tried products like this before in the past. They're not usually my favorite. I'm not even a big highlighter person, but I'm still excited to try it out and test it and give it a glow. She does have this beautiful glowing skin on the model. So as someone with dry skin, I do always aspire to have glowing skin. So that's the Hints Beauty set. So I am pretty excited to try out all of these. I'm going to do another video where I actually go through and try them out, since I already have my makeup on today, but I was just too excited I had to get into the box and open it up. So tune in soon, and I will be reviewing the products. Let me know in the comments below which one you want to see first, and that will help me decide where I start next. So leave that below. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unfiltered makeup content. I will see you very soon in my next video, but until then, take care of yourself.